Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Mamata channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding some plants which we can grow by cuttings in this season. That is in summer season. We can grow the plants with the help of cuttings. In this lockdown we can enjoy and do gardening like this friends. This is Syngonium. I will be discussing some medicinal plants also friends, which for which videos I have given on. I will keep on giving all, them also. This is Sada Suhagan. You might have seen nearby areas. You can see this friends. The cutting I have taken and this can be grown like this. Friends, coming to this plant, this is pan. You might have seen many people eat. Some people have habit of it. You can have the pan inside your house also, but don't take katha with it. That makes it harmful. You can eat this pan and take the benefits. This one is pudina friends. This also you can grow by cuttings. I have taken this cutting and we can grow like this. Coming to this friends, this is हड जोड़. ये हड्डियों को कहते हैं कि जोड़ देता है दोस्तों. This joins bones. So this can be also grown by cuttings. Coming to this plant friends, now coming to air purifying plants, I have two plants here. This one is Syngonium. This is also air purifying plant and this can be grown by cuttings. Then this one is money plant. You might have seen everywhere in each and every house we have this money plant. Coming to this friends, this is Sansevieria. Leaf can be cut half and this plant can be grown by this also friends. मैं इसको डैमेज नहीं करना चाहती थी, इसलिए मैं इसी तरह से इसको लेके आगे मैंने लगाया था इसको. And this looks really beautiful and this is air purifying plant. You can keep it inside your house. Friends, ये है हमारा टर्टल वाइन. इसको भी आप ग्रो कर सकते हैं कटिंग से. ये जेड प्लांट है. अब ध्यान से देख लें इसको फ्रेंड्स. जेड प्लांट, इसको भी देखिए कटिंग कर रखा मैंने, कटिंग से लगा सकते हैं आप. ये वॉन्डरिंग ज्यू है. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, ये ऑल्सो देखिए, इसको आप कटिंग से लगा सकते हैं. दिस कैन बी ऑल्सो ग्रोन बाय कटिंग्स. दिस वन इज पेंसिल कैक्टस and this one is fish tail bone. Friends, you can grow rohio. This you can identify and you can see this is very beautiful, reddish purplish color rather. Leaf नीचे में है फ्रेंड्स और ग्रीन ऊपर है फ्रेंड्स. So this is very beautiful. When you plant it, this looks very good. This is can be grown by cutting. This one is sedum. This is fleshy. As you can see friends, this is a succulent. This can be grown by cuttings. I grew it and you can see some roots have come. This one is creeping Charlie friends. This looks very beautiful. You can plant it in front of your house and this looks like, resembles somewhat like pudina. You can see like that. Friends, this one is Mexican petunia. This also you can grow and make your garden beautiful. Friends, use the cuttings and you can grow the plants in this lockdown time and enjoy the greenery inside friends. Friends, there are many species and many plants which we can grow by cuttings and using the leaves. But I have collected some and tried to show you that you can grow in your kitchen garden or pots and enjoy the gardening. Friends, this one is calancho. This can also be grown by cuttings. This one is moss rose. You might have seen some flowers coming in this friends. This is very beautiful. This also you can grow. This one is, friends, begonia. This also you can grow by cuttings. Coming to very important plant, mother of thousands, you can say. Each and every, this I left for the last so that we will be discussing it in a detail. I have given a video on this. This one is, friends, pathar chatta. Very easily you can grow. This can be grown by cuttings. This can be grown by using these leaves. You can see these leaves, nodes, these notches, from here the plants come. Really beautiful, very easily to grow and medicinally very effective. And it can be, you can see my videos on this and take your care of your health. Friends, I forgot to tell you, you might have seen videos floating in channels, and it's viral video. Brahm Kamal has come in Uttarakhand. After so many years, this has come. This one is Brahma Kamal. This also you can grow by cuttings, friends. And you can see in Uttarakhand, it's really beautiful. Flowers are coming and it looks like you can enjoy the video. Very good. And it's really heartening to see that Brahma Kamal coming out. Brahma Kamal is white in color. It's really beautiful, friends. Worth seeing, and you can grow by cuttings. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, friends. Mamta signing off.